Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous two classes of the parabola, we have discussed the introduction to the parabola and as well as standard form to the equation of the parabola. And in the second class, we have discussed 8 different types of parabolas and their equations and focus, vertex, equation of directrix and the equation of axis. In this video, we are going to solve some problems, and if they given a equation, we are going to find out the vertex and the equation of directrix and focus and the equation of axis. So let us directly go to the problems. See the first one. As you can see in the first question, the question is given as find the vertex, focus, equation of directrix and the axis of parabola y square is equals to 16x. So clearly the given parabola is y square is equals to 16x. Just compare this parabola with y square is equals to 4ax. Then what we get? Then we get 4a is equals to 16. 4a is equals to 16. That means a is equals to 4. So the value of a is 4, right? So this is the parabola of y square is equals to 4ax, right? This is the focus. What we discussed in the second class, focus is a comma 0 in case of y square is equals to 4ax, and this is the vertex. Vertex is the origin to y square is equals to 4ax, right? And the equation of directrix is this one, L is equals to 0 or x plus a. X plus a is equals to 0, and the equation of axis is this one, y is equals to 0, because the parabola lies on x axis. So the equation of axis becomes y is equals to 0, because the parabola, whenever the parabola lies on the x axis, the equation of x axis is y is equals to 0. Okay, first we have to find the vertex, right? Vertex. The given parabola is of the form y square is equals to 4ax. So whenever the parabola is of type y square is equals to 4x, the vertex becomes 0 comma 0. The first one is over, right? And we have to find the focus. Focus is denoted by s, and in case of y square is equals to 4ax, the focus is a comma 0. What is the value of a here? We find the value of a as 4. So the focus becomes 4 comma 0. And the equation of directrix. Equation of directrix in case of y square is equals to 4ax, that is x plus a is equals to 0. X plus a is equals to 0, that becomes x plus, what is the value of a? 4. X plus 4 is equals to 0. This is the equation of directrix. And the equation of axis, we already discussed. The equation of axis is y is equals to 0, because the parabola lies on the x axis. In this way, you are going to find vertex, focus, equation of directrix and the equation of parabola. This is the equation of parabola is of the type y square is equals to 4ax. If we see, another question is of the another form of the parabola in the second question. Take a look at this second question. we have to find the vertex, focus and equation of directrix, and the equation of parabola is of the type y square plus 6y minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. In this previous problem it is very simple equation, but here it is a long equation and it is very difficult to find. If you use a trick, you are going to find it in a simple way, right? Let us write first the given parabola. Given parabola is y square plus 6y minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. Now what I am going to do is y square plus 6y, I am going to take this minus 2x plus 5 to the other side. So it becomes 2x plus 5. Right. Now I am going to add plus 9 to the both sides. So this all becomes minus 5, right? Right. Y square plus 6y plus 9 is equals to 2x minus 5 plus 9. Why I am going to add 9 to the both sides? I am going to make this one as a whole square, right? Like a plus b whole square, otherwise a minus b whole square. To make this type, I am going to add 9 here. This one becomes y square plus 6y, otherwise I am going to write 2 into 3 y. 2 into 3 is 6 plus I am going to write this as 3 square. Okay, 2x plus 4. Now you can look at this, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square, right? What is a here? A plus b whole square is equals to, in this 2 I am going to take common as 2x plus 2. You can write this one as y minus 3 whole square. Minus into minus is plus. Same here also, x minus of minus 2. Now I am comparing this with x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square. Y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. Did you get it? Y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. So what do you get here? H value is minus 2. What is value of k? You will get k as minus 3. Okay. And what is the value of 4a? 2. 4a is equals to 2. Then what is the value of a is equals to 1 by 2. We get a h k. So this one is y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h type. So the parabola is of the type, right? This is the focus and this one is the vertex. In this case, the vertex is shifted from 0, 0 to h, k because the origin is shifted, and here the focus is h plus a comma k, right? You can see the clause to get what is focus and how do we get a. Okay, now first we have to find the vertex, right? Vertex a is h comma k. We know value of h and k, minus 2 comma minus 3. So the first one is over, and the second one is focus h plus a comma k. So that what is the value of h? Minus 2 and plus 1 by 2 comma k is minus 3. So minus 4 plus 1 by 2 comma minus 3, that is minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3. This is the focus. Now the equation of directrix. Equation of directrix in case of y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. That is x minus h plus a is equals to 0 plus a is equals to 0. This is the equation of directrix. So substitute the value of h and a here. X minus, what is the value of h here? Minus 2, so that it becomes plus 2, plus what is the value of a? 1 by 2 is equals to 0. By solving this, you are going to get 2x plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 0. 2x plus 4 plus 1, 5 is equals to 0. This is the equation of directrix. And you are pending with one more, that is the axis of parabola. Axis of parabola of this type can be written as y minus k is equals to 0, because the parabola lies on the x-axis and the origin is shifted from 0 comma 0 to h comma k, so that we are minusing this k with y. Okay, now substitute the value of k here. Y, k value is minus 3, minus of minus 3 plus is equals to 0, it becomes y plus 3 is equals to 0. So the equation of axis is y plus 3 is equals to 0. In this way you are going to find the vertex, focus and equation of directrix and the axis of parabola. Okay, I hope you understand how to find the values and the equation of directrix and the axis of parabola, whatever the equation is given. These questions appears in 2 marks questions majorly, but sometimes they ask in the 7 marks questions also by giving 2 or more equations. So please concentrate on each and every question in your textbook. Otherwise, if you have any doubts, please comment in my comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching and please share with your friends. Thank you.